do this prank on him to, you know, crack my neck. Watch. Wait a minute. Babe, can you do me one more favor? Please come crack my neck. Please. Please, cause my neck hurt.
I don't know how it's gonna go. Shit, I'm gonna crack your neck. I ain't never cracked a neck before. I cracked a back, some fingers, some toes, a neck. What do you just snap it quick? Like an assassin?